Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I'm over at Debbie's house again today, and we've been, what, Debbie?
Shopping.
Our favorite thing to do over at our favorite store, HomeGoods. Can you believe all the great things that we picked up? We are really happy about what we found, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
And I was so happy that my daughter was able to find this beautiful, beautiful glass for me. She got me 4 of them. Now, I paid for them, but she found them. And I should have bought, they had some other glasses that were the same with the little wreath on it, but she couldn't find them that were smaller. So I told her to go ahead and get the goblets. They're just so beautiful. I love them. And also, when I was at HomeGoods, I bought a few things that were on sale because already it's past Halloween. This baking, let me get up.
I'm going to bring it up.
Okay. Isn't it beautiful? We got it on sale for $7. It was $16.99, so it was over 50% off. Now it's for Halloween. As you can see, it has the little, what the little spatula says, but I just love it. And they have some Christmas versions. I might go ahead and look and see if I can find a Christmas one like it. And that way I can have Halloween and Christmas. Mm-hmm. If you want to put it down, babe, you
So
can.
it says Cheers, Witches, and then on the paper here it says Happy Halloween.
So cute. I just love it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you want me to bring these a little closer?
Oh, let's do the other Halloween thing there I got.
Oh, okay.
I got these on special, and what's the price on that? $5?
Yeah.
So they originally were $10. They were $9.99, and I got them for $5, so it's half off. I really don't have any Ray Dunn anything, but I saw this, and they were so cute, and I thought that would be great to put out next Halloween, so I bought it. $5, that's $1 a piece. You can't get any cheaper than that.
Mm-mm.
And it's beautiful quality.
Very cute.
Oh, I do. I love it. That's why I bought it. Now we're starting on my little Christmas things that I got. I got these to decorate my Christmas cupcakes with. And go ahead and turn them around so we can see.
So you got a Santa, a reindeer, a candy cane, and a Christmas tree.
And the other box has some different things in it. And it was
And
$4.99.
$4.99. It wasn't on sale?
Nope, that's its normal price.
Okay.
And I didn't want to take a chance waiting for a sale. May or may not ever come. Because the one thing about, and here's our second one that I got. It's 24 party picks, and they're such cute little things. Want to go ahead and talk about it?
Okay, so you've got Santa in his cute little suit. Oh, look at the tree on this one. I love this one.
I know.
Very whimsical. Then we have a little present. And then we have a little deer. So yeah, they're a little different. I like this container a little bit better.
Well, that's why I ended up buying 2 different ones, because I wanted a big variety. And because there's 24, that's 48 cupcakes. Even for our big family, that's plenty.
Yeah.
And I know the great-grandbabies are going to really love it when they see all that stuff.
And this little tree reminds me of Whoville and the
It does.
Grinch
Yeah, it
movie. So I really like that. Oh,
And if I might even see if I can find a third one if it's different, if I can. But I looked at it when I first went over there the first time, and I loved it. And if you still love it the second or third trip, you might as well buy it.
yeah, you might as well. All right, so
Just like I knew I love those glasses with the with that Christmas wreath. Why don't you bring that a little closer so we can show how pretty that is?
which
closer.
what?
The Christmas glass that you
Oh.
got. The glass. No.
Oh, the glass. I'm like,
glass.
what are you talking?
So I want to. Can you tip it a little bit so they can see how beautiful it is? I just love it. And tell them how much they were a piece.
So let's see.
$4.99. I really think that is a really good price.
Sparkles and this.
I know. I just loved it.
You can't. It doesn't even show as well on the camera that it does in person. But
Yeah,
it's
and
really
when you see it
pretty.
in person, it's even 10 times prettier.
And it'll be even nicer with some wine inside. That's what I'm looking forward to.
Well,
Have
you'll probably be having wine, and I'll probably be having Kool-Aid,
some
sugar-free Kool-Aid.
Oh my goodness! Yeah, this is gorgeous.
I loved it. I was so happy to get those. Okay,
And
now
then-
this is what Debbie got when she was over there.
Yes. So our Tea Tuesdays will be coming, and I'm sure you've already seen one. I went traveling, and one of the places we went was Germany, and I really wanted to get one of these nutcrackers, but they were very expensive. This same similar one, this same size, was about $125 to $150 each, and I was like, oh no, I can't buy that. So I seen these at HomeGoods, and on the tag it's saying that it's from Germany. Oh my gosh, can you grab the tag? And see, it's saying handcrafts from Erzgebirge. I don't even know. Made in Germany. That's all you need to know. Made in Germany. But it's super cute. And here, oh, it's right here. This is $29.99. A big difference from $125.
Yeah, and it's super cute. And
it has the little bear and
isn't that cute?
horsey, and then
the little lantern too.
The little soldier, yeah, and then the little lantern, and then the little, let me find the little thing in the back, and then this makes the mouth go up and down. So it's so cute.
Sort of creepy sound though.
Only you, Mom.
Only me.
So then I'll show you the other one. And I got this because this is more traditional. Because they're, the wood carvers, the cuckoo clocks. That's what they're famous for. So I got this one. And same thing. He's got this little thing in the back that, makes the mouth go up and down.
Well, that one isn't quite as creepy.
No. But he's really cute, and same price. And turn it around the back. Here's the little lever that you move.
Well, really, for the money, they're pretty cute.
Yeah, I like them, and I just saved myself $100 by buying them here.
You really saved over $200 because you bought a pair of them.
Right.
So think of it, $200 you saved your husband.
But I've always wanted, nutcrackers from Germany. So, like I said, when we were there, we were looking, but even in Germany, they're expensive. So, I had to pass. I was just a little out of my price range.
Well, we just do the best we can. Maybe next time you go,
I still won't spend that much money. That's way too much.
You might be lucky and find a bargain.
Well, I told him, I said, if it's something that I would have out all the time, maybe this one we would display all the time, but that one I wouldn't because it's Christmas.
Yeah.
I can't see spending that much money to have out for a couple of months, so.
Yeah, and this one, you're right. You could have it out year round and have it next to a bowl with a bunch of nuts.
Yeah.
And you never know. You might even be able to find one in a secondhand store.
True.
You really don't know because there's a lot of beautiful, high-quality items they have in secondhand stores if you have time to look around.
But HomeGoods had it, so I was happy. They had a lot of different ones, so it was really hard for me to choose just two. But at that price, I was like, oh, 2 is my max purchase. So.
Well, that's like me. There's a lot of things I like, and there's a lot of things, but I just can't hardly, as high as everything's going right now, I just got to cut back on how much I spend. And it's not like we don't have any Christmas stuff at all.
We have a lot. I don't even know how we're going to display it all, but.
Yeah, you guys are going to see a lot of Christmas displays, a lot, because Debbie has a lot and Grandma has a lot, and we still have spent more money on it, haven't we?
Yes, unfortunately.
Yeah. How we've managed to do that, I don't know.
Well, it's easy.
But when I saw those glasses, I didn't buy them when I first saw them, and I said, I really, really love those. And I have some Christmas plates that I bought last year that have wreaths on them.
Another closer look.
And I said, I've actually we got 4 of them because I figured I might want to do a tablescape for 4 when I have company. And because this is something I'll probably use every year. This isn't something I'm going to use for a display and pack it back away. This will be something I will use because I really, really love it. So this was an investment piece because Grandma really loved it. Well, this is what we got at HomeGoods this week, and I'm sure we'll get a few more before Christmas.
I hope not. I have spent so much money in the last week since I've been home, so I'm going to now go through and see what I already had, what the new stuff I have, and make sure that I don't buy any, duplicates. So I think I'm pretty done. I just have to go through and make
Yeah,
sure.
I'm going to join in with the challenge of Winter Wonderland and Christmas. So it's 2 different themes. So I have pieces for to put both those themes together with things I already own and have, and of course this will be my Christmas glasses. I'm so
And I'm
excited.
sure there's going to be a lot more Christmas challenges between now and then. So
Oh, there'll be lots.
So I'm looking forward to joining in on those. So hopefully whoever's having a challenge coming up will let you know, and we can get prepared.
Listen, guys, if you've got a challenge coming up, leave a comment on my latest video that I put up. I don't miss it. And as long as we own the pieces, we will join in for sure. And if it's something I really, really want to do, I might even spend money. But we have a lot. So I don't think we're going to have any lacking of displays. Do you?
Nope.
Nope.
All right, well, we better go.
See you in the next video.